guys, no, let me start. Hey people, what's popping? Kilishele, again name me. Let's go there. Why is this lift taking me downstairs? So you guys, the elevator opened up and oh, that's good to see me. Anyways, I am on annual leave for the first time since I started working. Wow, like I am on leave. I'm going to be away from work for the next 2 weeks. Yeah, for the next 2 weeks I am going to Owerri, but my airline does not fly Owerri currently. So good morning. So I'm going to be doing PH. Then from PH I find my way to Owerri. I've not gone from PH airport to Owerri before. I've been traveling from PH to Owerri, like my OGs know, but like from PH airport to Owerri, nah, I've not done it. Anyways, I just finished checking in at the airport. I know that this part of the video may not be clear because the place is dark, but I'm done checking in, so I am going to my crew lounge to stay until it's time to travel, because yeah, that's why I'm a crew. I don't have to go upstairs and sit at the boarding gate for over an hour. I'll just chill in the crew lounge and talk to others and seize them because they're working and I'm on leave. See you guys later. Hey guys, so I didn't tell you guys when I got here again because this place was quite crowded, so I couldn't turn on my camera. Anyways, I'm off to the boarding gate. So you guys, I am at the airport. I'm in Port Harcourt actually. Obviously I'm in the airport because yeah, I'm traveling. I'm in Port Harcourt and the best thing just happened to me right now. You know, I was telling you guys that I was tense because I've not gone to Owerri from Port Harcourt airport before and I don't really know my way around the airport. Anyways, there's good news. Ada baby, my best friend, she helped me. I didn't know that she was secretly looking for someone to come and pick me from the airport. I didn't realize. So this morning that she just sent me a message that luckily they found someone that is going to Owerri for something. Good morning. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Yes. Good morning. Ah. Should I enter the box? Okay. Wow. I still remember the house. So. My machines. She's so emotional when it comes to this house. Misko! Hey! Mama. You guys, I am home. There's no crayfish. Okay. All the things I'm going back to Lagos with are already here. My fish and crayfish and palm oil. I'll show you guys everything because I'm going to carry you guys along throughout this leave. I've starved you guys of content in the past how many months. But yeah, I'm on leave for the next 3 weeks. Although I'll be in Owerri for just a week. Yeah, so I'll create content. You guys, I was so happy as I sat down on my seat in the aircraft. I was like, passenger princess, must be nice. Feels so good. Feels so good to be in the aircraft and you don't have to walk and be walking around and be doing everything, multitasking, doing a lot of things at once and still managing to keep a positive face. You know, easy. Anybody will say me easy, made the person run. Today, Saturday, wing exits. Very compliant and obedient passenger. Anyways, guys, I just got home. I will see you guys later. Let me relax, go and take a shower and all of that. That reminds me, I forgot my sponge in Lagos. That's very, very unlike me. But I was more focused on coming with my documents because I want to renew my passport in Owerri. So I was more focused on my documents, and I also want to do photo shoots in Owerri. So I was more focused on my documents and everything for my photo shoots, and I guess that's why I forgot my sponge. But I got every other thing: my toiletries, my skincare, my toothbrush, toothpaste. Anyways, see you guys later. So you guys, I just saw something funny in my mom's room. So these are musical instruments. This is the first one, and this is the second one. So I asked her, what are you using this stuff to do? She said that she uses it to pray. She uses it to join NSPPD. It's so funny seeing her have musical instruments, especially as she's not a chorister. She was never a chorister. So having these instruments, but it's so good. It is good to give thanks and praise to the Lord. Omo, you want come on wig? They're baby of the Most High, air hostess of the Most High. You guys, mommy cooked ofaku. I'll show you guys my food when I'm about to eat. So I'm just gonna have my bath first of all. So you guys, it's meal time. Ofaku with plenty mende. Can you see? Can you see? Focus. A lot of fish. It is asa fish now. Okay. Mangala. It's mangala. A lot of. Okay, this is fresh water fish, and there's also goat meat with rice and beans. The best combo ever. Chineke, I missed this so much. Like, it's been long I had ofaku. Very good, like ofaku with a lot. So come and join me. Breakfast is served. Taking this down with some abu, aka fufu. Come and join me. You guys, I know you're probably going to be saying, oh, this girl and food since she came to where you've not even really shown your face and all of that. That's because I've just been seeing movies, eating and sleeping. That's what I want to do throughout this leave. Like, I don't want to stress because I've been through a whole lot. I've woken up early in the morning too many times. I've woken up 3:30, 4 o'clock. I've had days when I've not had the opportunity to have proper meals, and I just eat anything that I can lay my hands on. So this is what this leave is all about. Anyways, my mommy made abacha. So come and join me. Ooh, the abacha has uba. It has fish. It has anga. She puts ogiri in this and it gives it a special taste. There's onions, pepper, salt, and all of that good stuff. So come and join me. So you guys, I am currently cooking for the first time since I got home. I got home on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. So I'm cooking. I'm making spag, and I'm in a hurry because I have to go for a photo shoot today. So let's just continue. So I'm going to be going in with this tomato puree Ezinne gave me to give to my mom. It's my first time of cooking with it, like cooking with tomato puree. I hope it gives the meal a special flavor. Can you guys let me know in the comment section if you have cooked with tomato purees? And this is focusing on only the tomato puree. Focus on the meal itself, yeah. So this is a very big, a very mighty pot. I use it because I prefer space when I'm cooking. I don't like cooking in cramped pots. I like when the pot I'm cooking with is wide, or the pan. I feel like I make better meals with wider pans, depending on the quantity of the food though. So guys, I've been committing a crime and I just realized I was using iron spoon on a non-stick pot. Like really. That's why I'll piss me off if someone else is doing it. Anyways, our puree is already looking good. I think I love it. I love the texture. It's so perfect. My chicken fits this bag. Alright. Ooh, looks so good. So you guys, I just dished out my mom's own food and I'm going to serve her. Yeah, I'm done cooking. Come and join me. I need to eat fast, bait, do my makeup and go for my photo shoot. Chef Dara. Hey guys, Dara here again. Oh my god, I forgot to put on my earrings. I just hope they're inside this box. Can't afford to scatter this box, but I also can't afford to get to the studio and not be able to find my earrings. God, where can they be? I have to open the box. Anyways guys, I am off to the photo studio. Yeah, that's one thing I said I was going to achieve before I leave Owerri and go back to Lagos. I'm using my front's camera again because in my back camera I can't get to see my face very well. Yeah, I can't get to see my face very well, and the video may not turn out right and I'm in a hurry. I'm just trying to find the best angle. Anyways, I'm in a hurry, so I can't afford to try making video with the back camera and to not be good. I'll not have to redo it again. So let me just do with the front camera that I can trust how it looks at the moment, even if it's not the best of qualities. Anyways, I'm off to Astonish Studios. That's the place I used to do my photo shoot when I was in Owerri. I think that's I did one photo shoot in Lagos in 2022 and I didn't like it. So as I came to where I was like, this is affordable and I like their photos. Just I have to tell them that in their editing, they should not make me too fair. I am not too fair. I am just a bit light-skinned, not Ocha-bra-bra. So they should not do that kind of thing. They should make the photo look as realistic as possible because I am beautiful the way I am. I just hope these pictures today turn out right. I am putting on 3 outfits. One of my airline's uniforms, then a black dress with a scarf, like cabin crew vibe, and then black suits, skirt suits with white inside. All cabin crew photo shoots. Anyways, let's get going, guys. See you later. So I found the studio. I was so worried that it won't be in the same location it used to be all these years. So I just trusted my instincts because Google Map was taking me to somewhere else. But I now went to check their address that they sent to me in 2021 and it was the same address. So I was like, if it's the same address, she said, the Google Map is showing me somewhere else. Thank God, because I was so far away today. You guys, I am in the changing room and I am ready for my first outfits. God, my things are just all over the place. May God help me.
Laugh now. Now we can see. No for.
Are you ready? It's really from you.
Yes. Oh, I will not play. May not go, but I'm not sorry.
So you guys, that was it for the photo shoot. On this day, I was on my way to go do my international passport capturing, and for the photo shoot, I ended up not liking most of the pictures, but the one on my airline's uniform was really fine. So I was like, even if not only this one I get from this photo shoot, now win-win. At this point, my mom and I went to Relief Market, and this vlog is about to end because I ended my leave actually sick. Like I felt really sick immediately after that photo shoot. The stress of the photo shoot, the environment, everything, I became very sick. And I hate being sick because this particular sickness was so serious. It had been long since I felt sick like that. I got back to Lagos sick. Even on the day I got back to Lagos, I made clips, but somehow I can't find them in my photo collection again. So you guys, that was it for my leave. I had fun at the beginning, but it ended in a sick way. And on this day, I went to do the way bill for the palm oil, the fish, and the crayfish that my mom gave me to come to Lagos. And then I found my way to PH on the day of my flight, and I flew back to Lagos. So that was it for the leave. Thank you also so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, do give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site, and hopefully I am going to be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, bye, kiss kiss, love you.
All will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.